So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't know what to get or how much it's going to cost to get it. So in this video, we're going to go through my studio, see what costs for everything that I got here, and see if that's something that would work for you. Let's get started. So the first thing I got is my background. This white sheet I got behind me, it's like a 9x15 sheet I got on Amazon. That's the first thing. Works pretty good, I like it. Then I have the spotlights. You'll see I have these little cans and I have some blue lights in them. I kind of get spill on the white screen here, kind of give it some dynamic contrast, whatever you want to call it. So I got those, and then I got the blue lights, LED lights. I got a pair of 2 for those. And then there is a little projector light that you see behind me that creates all this wavy effect. I got that from Temu, actually. That wasn't too expensive. And then I have the little microphone guy here. I also got him from Temu. Just a little decoration just to kind of have something in the background. And then I have this microphone arm here that has my shotgun mic in front of me. There's that. And then I also have this chair I'm sitting in. I got this chair from Amazon. It's pretty comfortable. I like it. It works. Pretty basic. Nothing special. It works. And then I actually have my actual shotgun mic. That I actually bought on Amazon. You can see that I have the video, the Rode Video Mic Go 2. Just came out, like it's pretty new. And that's what I'm using right now in all my video shoots. And then it comes to all the accessories. So basically I have the headphone extender that runs the wire all the way up and around back to my iPhone. And then I have the TRS adapter. And then obviously a headphone jack, the lightning cable to the TRS. And then for the actual video itself, I have a stand. I have the phone. I'll show you. It's a basic stand. It just gets the job done. Nothing crazy. I got that on Amazon as well. I also the phone clamp. I just screwed it on there. And then for lighting, I have 3 lights. I can show you that. Basically, I wanted to get 3 lights so I could have an angle from a left and a right and a center, so you kind of get lit from all angles so you're not heavy on one side. I know in a lot of videos you have like a main light and a soft light to back it up, but I find it to be weird. Every video I look at, you got a bright spot and a dark spot. Like, to me, it doesn't seem natural. When you're outside in the daylight, I think light where you're kind of naturally lit is, to me, the most pleasing. So I have these 3 lights up here. They're up high enough, I would say. They're a good 3-4 feet up there, you'll see. And they work for me. I would say they're probably a 5,000 Kelvin bore. I'm not really sure. They're not white, but they're not yellow. So they're in between. Other than that, let's see. So for studio headphones or monitoring, how do I check the audio? Right now, I have these headphones right here. And I actually got a really good deal on them. These I got from a pawn shop. They are the HTM M40Xs, believe it or not. MKBHD did actually a review on these a long time ago. So they're actually really good headphones. They're very flat. No bass, no treble. So what you hear is what you get. And for now, they work pretty good. So I would say check them out. They are good headphones. Something worth checking out. And then I have my iMac Mini. I actually just got that, and this video will be edited on the iMac Mini. It's the 2020 with the M1. And so far, it's been great. I haven't had to spend too much time with it, but so far it's been doing just fine, and it's awesome. So hopefully I'll have this thing for a long time. Maybe I'll upgrade eventually, but for now, it's nice to have. I also have this Apple keyboard and mouse. I think I got it on eBay. The keyboard I got for like probably like 30 bucks, and another like 30 for the Magic Mouse. That's something also I have. It's all Bluetooth, it works wirelessly. Works good. I like it, it's clean. So for a monitor, I use for editing, I kind of use my studio. As you can see, I have my TV here where I double use for if I'm shooting video, I can have my notes on my screen just to kind of go off of that. And then also when I'm editing, I have it right here. So it's just all set up, ready to go. So this TV is a Hisense 43-inch 4K TV. I know it's not OLED, so I'm not getting the blackest of the blacks. But I did set it up on some settings when on YouTube to where it actually is closest I can get to what it looks like on an iPhone screen. So it's the best representation. So with the TV, with the pixels going this way and the pixels this on the going across in the 43-inch diagonally, it comes out to about 104 pixels per inch, which is what you want for if you have an iMac and you want the resolution to be scaled properly. So it works good. I have it far enough away where I can't see the pixels. And you can probably get this on Amazon. I look right now for like 260 bucks. Or if you have another TV laying around, you can use that, or a small monitor, whatever you need. But I use this in my setup because I had it laying around, so it works. And then obviously the last thing I have here, well, two things, is my desk. I already had this workbench from my garage that we're in. This is my studio. I'm in the corner of the garage here. Already built. I just put some stain on here so it looks kind of nice. But you can get one I see on Amazon that's decent for like 60 bucks. I can show you that. It's very nice. And then I also did put some sound treatment up a little bit. I have foam on my right side and foam on my left side to kind of knock down some of the reverb. I'm not sure how much it really helps, but if it cuts it down a little bit, I'm okay with it. So I have it there. If it makes the audio quality sound better, great. So we'll go with the total there and we'll see how much that costs. So in total, you're looking at about $1,100, and that's if you were to get a desk and your own TV with the Mac Studio, everything included. So for just about, you could probably get it under $1,000. So for that price, I think that's basically the bare minimum. And obviously I didn't include, I have an iPhone 14 Pro, what I'm shooting on, but you don't need to use, you know, a brand new phone. If you have anything from probably a 10 or 11, definitely a 12 would be really good, or a 13 would shoot pretty good. But I think whatever you got, just use it. So I didn't really include that in the price, but so that's my studio setup. Hopefully you found it useful. I think the video quality is good. Let me know in the comments. Hopefully it was something that could help you out. All right, see you later.